Racers, ready, set, and go!
Mila, look! It's the bandits! They took Fast-A-Lot! Yeah, and they're using his magic pet power to cheat and win and beat Mom! But Mom trained so hard. She deserves a fair race. And we've got to save Fast-A-Lot. We have to stop those bandits. Morphle, stop! Morphle, morph into a race car and let's beat the bandits to the next water checkpoint. I got it, Mila! Okay, first water checkpoint. And here they come! Yay! Go! But here comes trouble.
Yorn, look! It's the first water checkpoint!
Morphle, can you morph into something to scare them off?
I'm scared, Raj!
Close your eyes, Yorn! Be brave! Ha! We totally meant to do that.
Yeah, and on purpose, too.
And they've run off again. It's okay, Jordie. We can catch them again at the next water checkpoint.